animal life cycle. Life cycle of a mammal. Unlike egg-laying animals, mammals develop their babies inside the belly of the mother. Once the babies are ready, the mother will give birth. The babies of mammals can look almost exactly like the parent. Some have different fur color. Some features are only obtained during juvenile stage or adulthood. Some mammals give birth to multiple babies at one time. Some only give birth to one at a time. Life cycle of a fish. There are 4 main stages, which is egg to larva to juvenile to adult. The amount of eggs fishes lay can be from 10 to 100,000. It depends on the species of the fish. Fish live in water their whole lives. The life cycle of bird. Rather than developing in the belly of the mother, baby birds develop in the eggs. A baby bird is called a chick. A chick, at the moment it hatches from its egg, often doesn't really look like its parents. Life cycle of amphibians. Amphibians go through larval stage after hatching. Amphibians go through metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the process of transformation from juvenile to an adult. After going through metamorphosis, the animal will look totally different than before. Life cycle of reptiles. Unlike the amphibians, reptiles do not have a larval stage and do not go through metamorphosis. The 4 main stages are egg to baby to juvenile to adult. As a baby, they already look almost exactly identical to their parents other than their size. Life cycle of arthropod. Spiders lay their eggs attached to their webs, but there are some species of spiders that carry the eggs with them on their backs. When spiders hatch, they would already look identical to their parents. They can lay between 2 to 10,000 eggs at one time. Life cycle of annelids. After mating, the eggs develop into a cocoon. Then the baby hatches from the cocoon and grows into an adult. A cocoon can only be developed around once every week. A cocoon will only hold one baby. Life cycle of a mollusk. After hatching, they are in the larva stage. The larva stage, they grow into a vulgar stage. From a vulgar, they grow into a juvenile, and then finally an adult. The lifespan of mollusks are between 1 to 20 years, depending on the species. Life cycle of echinoderms. A baby, it goes through metamorphosis to become a juvenile. That is, as a baby, you can clearly see how different they look before and after metamorphosis. Echinoderms can live up to 200 years old.